Hey everyone, welcome to the Honest Straight Review channel, where I give you the truth about the product straight to the point. Today's review is about Thyrovanz. Does it really work? Is it worth buying? Stay tuned to find out. Thyrovanz is a supplement designed to restore thyroid health, especially for those struggling with low thyroid function, fatigue, and weight issues. It promises to improve metabolism, boost energy levels, and support thyroid function naturally. Benefits include restoring thyroid function, boosting metabolism and energy, and using natural ingredients. However, results can vary. The price is a bit high for long-term use, and it's not for everyone, so consult with your doctor if you have specific thyroid conditions. Thyrovanz is worth considering if you're struggling with thyroid issues or low energy, but it's not for those looking for immediate results. I'd recommend it for people wanting natural thyroid support. My rating, 8/10, a good product, but results take time. If this video helped, leave a like, check the official Thyrovanz link in the description, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. Hey everyone, welcome.